This experience has made me a lot more confident in myself. I'm really proud today about placing first.
SkillsUSA sets me up for success by showing us the necessary skills to complete a job or task on time, what to expect during an interview, as well as applying for a position here at the Boeing company.
The thing I'm proud about is finishing the project. It was very fun getting all my hands dirty and getting it done, that I worked fast, safe, and with quality.
The skills I saw today connect to real-world aerospace manufacturing jobs. The Boeing company needs hands-on mechanical and electrical positions filled. It's important to build this workforce pipeline early. We need students who will become our future.
SkillsUSA really ingrained with career and technical education. Industry training and industry experience and getting students ready for their career is the most important thing.
My purpose aerospace teacher is amazing. He's really helped me grow as a person, and without him, I'm not really sure where I would be in my life right now.
Omar is one of those students that you don't get every year. He's one of those students that remind you of why you got into teaching. It has been one of my greatest honors being able to be his shop teacher for the last 4 years.
I would encourage students to pursue a career in manufacturing because it really gives you a sense of purpose. My career goal is to become AOG or Blue Streak through Boeing. I really think that SkillsUSA is going to help me get a job after high school.